How the internet actually works. Explained simply, when you open a website, nothing is actually there. No page, no file waiting for you. Your screen fills up, but nothing arrived as a whole. Most people imagine the internet as a place, a cloud, a space somewhere else. That image feels right, but it's wrong. The internet is not a place. It is a process. Right now, your device is inside that process. It is constantly sending messages and constantly receiving answers, even when you are not aware of it. So let's slow this down. Let's take one simple action and stretch it out. Opening a website. You type a web address. At that moment, your computer does not know what you mean. Not because it's broken, but because names mean nothing to computers. Computers don't understand words. They don't understand websites. They understand numbers. So the first thing your computer does is translate. It asks a question. Where is this website? That question goes out to a lookup system. You can think of it like a global address book, a system that exists only to answer one thing. Which number belongs to this name? Once your computer gets that answer, something important changes. Now it knows who to talk to. Not the internet, a specific machine, a server, a real, physical computer somewhere on Earth. That server might be nearby. It might be on the other side of the planet. Distance matters. Now comes the part almost nobody imagines correctly. Your computer does not send one clean request. It breaks the message apart. The request is split into many tiny pieces. These pieces are called packets. They are small by design. Why small? Because small pieces are easier to move. They can avoid traffic. They can take detours. They can be replaced if lost. Each packet is sent out on its own. They don't wait. They don't stick together. They just move forward. As they travel, they pass through other computers. These are routers. Their job is extremely simple. Look at the packet. Check the destination. Send it closer. That's it. Routers don't know what the packet contains. They don't know if it's a photo, a video, or text. They don't care. Packet by packet, the request moves. Across cities, across countries, across oceans, underwater cables, data centers, exchange points. Most of the internet is physical. Cables, metal, electric signals. Eventually, the packets reach the server. The server reads the request and prepares a response. But again, nothing is sent as one piece. The response is split. Text packets, image packets, style packets, thousands of them. They are sent back the same way, individually, out of order, as fast as possible. Your computer receives them. Some arrive early, some arrive late, some take strange routes you'll never see. Your computer keeps track. It checks every packet. Where does this belong? What part of the page is this? As soon as enough pieces arrive, your computer starts building. This is why you sometimes see text before images. Nothing is broken. The page is assembling itself. Here's something most people miss. The internet does not promise speed. It promises delivery. If a packet gets lost, your computer notices. It asks for it again. If a route is busy, another route is used. This is why the internet is so resilient. Not fast because it's powerful. Reliable because it's flexible. When the internet feels slow, it's not failing. It's crowded. Millions of packets competing for space. Streaming, messages, updates, downloads, all sharing the same paths. And yet, most of the time, it feels instant. That's not luck. That's structure. Every computer follows the same basic rules. How to ask, how to respond, how to split data, how to rebuild it. There is no central controller, no single machine in charge. The internet works because no one owns it. It's agreement, protocols, standards, shared logic. Billions of computers doing very small jobs, over and over, together. That's the internet. Not a cloud, not magic, just coordination at massive scale. And now, when you open a website, you know what's really happening. Your computer asks a question. The world answers. In pieces. That's how it works. Simple. No mystery. If this made things clearer, consider subscribing. More simple explanations coming soon.